twist it 90 degrees, the fuse panel is going to drop. Now the fuses you're going to be interested in is fuse number 22 and fuse number 31. A 10 amp and a 25 amp. Now, where's it at? There it is, right over there. Now the 22 amp, number 22, the 25 amp is going to be hot all times, even when the key is off. So grab your test light, or in this case, the power probe. Good. Good. Now you're going to be checking both sides of the fuse. Now really you don't have to do that on these, because what I like about these fuses is you can actually see the filament right between them. So if it's blown, you'll be able to tell. And that one's not. So now we go over here.